Hey, good morning, Thunderbirds. Hope you're having an awesome morning. Welcome to the world of digital learning. I'm hitting you from my studio here at home. And just in case you're curious, I want to show you how to access these assignments and make sure you're all good. If you are going to the music Canvas page, it's going to look like this. And your job is to click on this assignment that says Music at Home. Woohoo! And when you get to it, you got 8 different activities that you can choose from. You need to choose just one. But if you want some more enrichment, you can choose more than one or two or three if you want. Our thought is that you want to spend about 15 minutes working on these. So just choose whatever you're most interested in. That would be great. And then after that, you want to click on this Music at Home response quiz, and that is how you are going to let me know that you did the assignment. All right, pretty easy stuff, should be great. If you have any questions, just email me, easy to find, and I'm happy to help. Really hope you guys are doing great, and we miss you, and hope you have some good time working on these specials lessons. Thanks so much.